little bit of a treat, star of stage and screen, Benedict Cumberbatch.
The Liberty Human Rights Lawyer of the Year award needs little by way of explanation. As anyone who has attended previous Liberty ceremonies will be aware, the quality of work recognised through this award is truly exceptional. To have been shortlisted for Human Rights Lawyer of the Year is a sign of outstanding commitment, intelligence, persistence and courage.
And the nominations are Ben Cooper for his committed and tireless work on some of the most complex and difficult extradition cases at all levels. Ben acted for Gary McKinnon from his arrest on a US extradition warrant all the way up to the European Court, finally achieving justice for Gary only last month. Raggy Kotak for her tireless commitment to women's rights, most notably her cases involving violence against women and trafficking. She also set up and coordinated the Anti-Trafficking Legal Project, which trains both lawyers and non-lawyers on legal issues which affect victims of trafficking and undertakes policy work. Michael Oswald for outstanding work in the field of civil actions against the police. Michael is currently acting in a challenge to the police power to stop and search without suspicion, and is also involved in a case concerning an anti-EDL protester, whose case has led to 2 police officers being charged with perverting the course of justice.
And the winner is Ben Cooper.
Thank you very much. I'm greatly honoured to receive this award. And first of all, can I pay tribute to Raggy and to Michael for the astonishing work that they've been doing, who deserve this award just as much. And I'd like to share the award with the teams I've been working with over the years on these maritime cases that have been going on for as long as 7 years. And I must therefore obviously thank my family for allowing me to take the cases on holiday with me over these years, whenever the late developments happened just before we left. And most of all, can I thank Liberty for its phenomenal campaigning determination, and for finally succeeding in changing, or maybe just about to be changing the law on extradition to allow people to argue for them within the courts in the UK, which is a big achievement in itself, but also for standing by defendants who have put through this long process in the courts, for organising protests outside of the court, and also for intervening within the courts on points of law, and finally for standing by defendants when they need it most. It's made a real difference to Gary McKinnon and his family, and to Richard and Julia O'Dwyer, to have Liberty by their side throughout these years. Thank you very much.
Award number 8 inches.